So dear students, so in this video, we shall talk of trigonometry, some basic properties, functions and basic formula in trigonometry. So that will be very useful when you study the chapters in physics first year especially. So this trigonometry, I think you are studying in your 10th standard. So what is trigonometry? So trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which studies about triangle, the relation between the sides of the triangle and its angles. So that branch of mathematics which deals with the relation between sides of a triangle and the angles of a triangle is called trigonometry. So trigono means triangle, trigono means triangle, metry means measurement, metry means measurements. So the measurement of a triangle, what are the basic ingredients of the triangle? So the sides and angles. So that relation between the sides of a triangle and the angles of a triangle, that study of mathematics is called trigonometry. Into the trigonometry. So we have some trigonometric functions. So before going for trigonometric functions, so I draw a right angle triangle. So consider right angle triangle. Say it is a right angle triangle. Say it is vertex A, this is vertex B, this is vertex C. So this is right angled at point C. So C nalli 90 degrees right angled. So let the angle at A is theta. So angle estiದೆ theta ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Theta is some angle 60 degree, 40 degree, anything maybe. So you should know that the side opposite to the triangle angle theta, the side opposite to the angle theta. So I am talking of this angle only, so we will only concentrate on this angle. So the side opposite to the angle theta, which is the side opposite to the angle theta, the side opposite to the angle theta is BC, is opposite to the, so that BC is called opposite. BC is called opposite. So this is called opposite, opposite side, opposite. So the side opposite to the right angle, which is the right angle, so this is the right angle, opposite to this side, so that is AB side. So that AB side is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So HYPOTENUS, hypotenuse. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. The side which is with that right angle, the remaining side, the other side left, is called as adjacent. Adjacent, because it is adjacent to the triangle theta. So these are the three sides of a triangle: hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent. So the sine function, sine theta will be equal to sine of angle theta. The angle theta angle theta is here. So the sine function will be equal to sine of angle theta will be equal to opposite by adjacent. I mean opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Which is opposite here? Opposite is BC divided by, which is adjacent, AB. BC by AB. This is sin theta. Then what will be cos theta? The cos theta will be adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent, I think you know it. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So which is the adjacent? Adjacent is AC divided by hypotenuse is BC. Then we have another function, that is tan function. The tan theta, tangent of a theta, tan theta will be equal to, so tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent, which is the opposite, BC divided by AC. So these are three basic trigonometric functions. Then we have inverse functions, that is the inverse of sine function. The inverse of sine function is cosecant function. Into the cosecant function, so the cosecant function will be cosecant theta will be equal to cosecant theta, that will be equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. So sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Therefore cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta, that will be equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. In the same manner, the inverse of ಅಥವಾ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಎಂಥದ್ದು? ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 by cos theta. So cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. It will be hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Then the ulta of tan theta is called cot theta or contingent theta. So that is called cot theta. That will be equal to 1 by tan theta. That will be equal to adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. That will be equal to AC by BC. AC by BC. So these are the inverse trigonometric function, the ulta of the sine, cos and tan. Then we shall talk of some complementary angles, trigonometric ratio of some complementary angles. So trigonometric ratio of some complementary angles. What angles? Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Again for this, again draw the triangle. So consider triangle. This is right angle at this point. So this is point A. We call it as B. We call it as C. So it is right angle at this point. So this angle was theta. So when the C is 90 degree and A is theta, then the angle at B will be equal to 90 minus theta. The angle agare 90 minus theta. Again total angle is the total interior angle of a triangle is 180. So theta is 90 ಅಂದರೆ perpendicular 90 degree ಇದೆ. So 90, this is theta, then this should be 90 minus theta. So total ಮೂರು ಮಾಡು, you can add 90 minus theta plus this theta plus this 90. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? This and this cancel, it will be 180. So therefore the angle subtended at point B, the vertex B will be 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. So this 90 minus theta is called complementary angle. ಎಂತ ಕರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ? Complementary angle. So Barena will draw some, I will write some formula. So sin 90 minus theta. Try to remember sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta. Sin ಆಗಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಕಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಸೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So sin 90 minus theta will be cos theta. Will be cos theta. In the same manner, cos 90 minus theta will be sin theta. ಅದಾಯ್ತಾ? sin 90 minus theta cos ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cos 90 minus theta sin ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Also tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta, it will be cot theta. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Cot theta. So these are complementary angles. Also we have angle ratios between 90 degree and 180. What is the relation between the angles subtending 90 degree and 180 degree? So this no, we shall see this one, 90 degree and 180 degree. So sin 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. Again cos theta. Sin 90 plus, I mean next you cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta. What was cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. But cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. In the same manner, tan 90 plus theta. Tan 90 plus theta, that will be equal to minus cot theta. Minus cot theta. Again, so I will take another color, green. I will write off 180 degree. Sin 180 minus theta. ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಕಾಸು, ಕಾಸು ಇದ್ದು ಸೈನ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಕಾಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ್ತಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬಂತು. ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾಕೆ ವೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೈನ್ 180 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಆಯಿತಾ? 180 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೆವರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಸೈನ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ 180 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಕಾಸ್ 180 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಕಾಸ್ 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Minus cos theta. Tan 180 minus theta. Tan theta ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ x axis, this is y axis, this is minus x axis, this is minus y axis, this is the origin. So this is the graphs. This is called as first quadrant. First quadrant. This is called as second quadrant. This is called as third quadrant. This is called as fourth quadrant. So at this point the angle is 0 degree. At this point the angle is 90 degree. At this point the angle is 180 degree. At this point the angle is 360 degree. 360 ala ಎಷ್ಟು? It will be 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 270 degree. This is 270 degree. Load. So this will be A. All students take coffee. No, ASTC. This A for all. S for students. All students. T for take. N coffee. All students take coffee. All students take coffee. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ